We don't have injuries. Jannah is perfect. And so in our hearts, we are yearning for our home, but here's our mistake. Listen carefully. Our mistake is that we try to make this Jannah. And it never will be. And actually, that was the mistake that I was doing. And that's why I got hurt. It's because I wasn't realizing, because this life isn't perfect. You see, the answer that that little girl got from me in the dream was because this life isn't perfect. And if it was perfect, what would the next life be called? It was that realization that this life is temporary. Yes, we as human beings, we yearn for what is lasting. We don't want to believe that things come to an end. It hurts us. We don't want to let go. We want our beauty to last forever. We want our youth to last forever. We want our health to last forever. We want our love to last forever. We want our children and our health and our happiness to last forever. And so many of us try to do that in dunya. And that's why we get hurt. And that's why many of us become damaged by dunya. We become shattered by dunya. And that's because you're asking dunya to be something it can't. You're asking dunya to be something that it was never created to be. It is temporary. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks us in the Quran, بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. Do you prefer the life of this world when the hereafter is better and more lasting? You see the question Allah is asking us? He's asking us, how can you prefer this life over the next life when this life is temporary and perfect? No matter how good it gets in this life, let me ask you this question, because alhamdulillah, we're privileged in this room. No matter how good it gets for you, is it ever perfect? Is it ever perfect? Do you ever have no problems? You may have money, but you have no problems. No matter how good it gets, does it last forever? No. It is not perfect, and it never will be perfect. And it is not eternal, and it never will be eternal. Jannah is those things. And so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us, how can we prefer this life when we have a home waiting for us that is both perfect and lasting?